Welcome, soul family, to this cord cutting session. I'm going to get started by lighting the center flame and just clearing the space with some dragon's blood sage. As you can see, I've prepped the space with 2 plates covered in tin foil and 2 pieces of paper. The one on the left would be your name and the energetic ties that you want to cut, and the one on the right is the other person's name with the energetic ties that you want to release as well. In the middle, both pieces of paper are connected by a thin string, and we will get to that momentarily. So I use birthday candles because they burn very quickly, and so I will take them and burn both ends just so that the bottoms will stick to the plate. And you want to be sure that all the materials are touching so that everything catches fire when the candles burn down. And in this moment, really think about the energies that you are releasing from, whether they're past life energies, karmic ties, karmic contracts, a person in your life or habits in your life, anything that you want to move on from and release. It's not really enough to use only a string. That's why we're also using the element of fire to truly transmute this energy. So we're going to grab the scissors and we're going to cut ties. Really take a moment and use this time and space to envision the very thing, energy that you want to release. Invite it in to speak to it, to embody it, to reflect upon it, knowing that with this cord cutting, it will be released. Any emotions that come through, let it be so, to move through you naturally. You may feel some overwhelming emotions, and just know that you are supported and protected. Imagine that you are in a room, a very safe space where you get to confront this person or this energy or a former version of yourself, and invite that in to have the conversation of anything that you've ever wanted to say, everything that you've wanted to express emotionally. And as you keep this energy in mind, go ahead and meditate on the flame. If you're using candles yourself, be sure to watch the energy of the flames. It's really important to see how the candles are burning. Sometimes the candles will burn clean. Sometimes it will be very messy and a large flame. I've seen cord cuttings where it takes forever for the flame to go out, or it burns through the plate. So these are sometimes indications of stubborn energy, stuck energy, and it just shows us that the cord cutting is successful. Allow this time and space to be truly sacred, to honor yourself for showing up and committing to your healing journey by releasing all that does not serve you. Let's bring into your awareness gratitude. Gratitude to the energies that brought you to this moment. Gratitude to the energies that you will be releasing because the lessons are learned and the karma is complete. With so much thanks, and respect for self. And we're also going to be sending love to the energies that you are releasing for a safe passage into the light. And into the sacred unity. You want to make sure that all the contents are touching once the flame starts to get closer to the plate. Notice the flame on the right plate burning through the paper. If the contents aren't burning, you can put them back in the flame to make sure that it burns properly. Paper on the left plate burning. Again, just take a moment to meditate, to receive any messages that might come through to you from the fire and from the energies. Just be very conscious of the emotions and the thoughts that are coming to you during this time. in this moment, we're waiting for all the flames to be out naturally on their own, the flames that are on the plate. We give so much thanks at this time and gratitude for this session, and so it is, family. Thank you for completing this cord cutting. After this is complete, just make sure you discard of the contents in separate bins, so you want to make sure you throw them out in the garbage separately. And what I like to do to follow the cord cutting is to just pull a card from the Ethereal Tarot deck to confirm, get any messages about the energy. And here we have the Tower in reverse, which is reflective of the energies being completely destroyed and successfully cut. And I now anchor, lock, and seal this session, family.